Want to turn your regular bicycle into a power-packed electric machine? These 5 best-selling e-bike conversion kits from AliExpress are blowing up in 2025. From 250W to 1500W, plug-and-play or pro-level builds. Stick around, your next ride upgrade is just a click away. Want serious power? This Rear Hub kit offers 500W, 1000W, and an insane 1500W motor, perfect for speed lovers. It mounts on the rear wheel with a cassette setup, delivering high torque and speeds up to 50 km/h depending on the version. Whether you're climbing hills or flying down city streets, this motor is smooth, powerful, and reliable. The complete kit includes the motorized wheel, controller, LCD display, throttle, paw sensor, and wiring. It's designed for DIYers who want to build their dream e-bike with a battery of their choice. Add a 48 volts or 52 volts battery, and you're ready for powerful commuting, long-distance touring, or off-road action. If you want raw, customizable power and speed, this is a top-tier upgrade for your bike. Next up is the iMotor 3.0, a sleek, smart, and wireless e-bike conversion kit with 36 volts 350W power. This futuristic front-wheel kit combines a motor, controller, and 7.2 Ah battery inside the hub, with no external wiring needed. You can go up to 40 km/h, making it ideal for urban commuting and light touring. It even comes with Bluetooth and mobile app control, letting you track speed, battery status, and more. The setup is super easy. Swap your front wheel, pair the throttle, and start riding. Includes throttle, pedal assist, charger, and wheel in multiple sizes. Perfect for commuters, beginners, and smart tech fans looking for a clean and simple install. This is the more complete iMotor 3.0 kit, available for 24 inches, 26 inches, 27.5 inches, and 700C wheel sizes. With 36 volts 350W motor power and a 7.2 Ah battery, this kit is built for flexibility and convenience. It includes everything you need: front motor wheel, wireless throttle, charger, and smart app integration. Whether you're in the EU or US, it ships locally and installs in under 10 minutes. It's a great solution for e-bike conversions that look clean, stay wireless, and don't involve complex wiring. Add this to your city bike, cruiser, or hybrid, and you'll get quiet, responsive power for up to 40 km/h. Best for casual riders who want a fast, lightweight, and low-maintenance e-bike. Perfect for commuters, beginners, and smart tech fans looking for a clean and simple install. Want a mid-drive motor with a natural pedaling feel? The Tongsheng TSDZ8, TSDZ2B is a high-performance option with 250W, 500W, or 750W output. It includes a built-in torque sensor for smooth, pedal-based assist, perfect for hills and long-distance rides. Mounts at the bottom bracket for better weight balance, efficiency, and range. Pair it with a 13 Ah or 20 Ah battery, and you're looking at up to 100 km per charge. It's a favorite among serious riders who want a professional-grade e-bike feel. Perfect for commuters, beginners, and smart tech fans looking for a clean and simple install. Finally, meet the iMotor 3.0 wireless throttle kit, a fully self-contained, ultra-easy front-wheel conversion solution. It combines 36 volts 350W motor, battery, and controller into one hub, with no external wiring. Includes a wireless throttle, available in wheel sizes from 24 inches to 700C. Perfect for beginners, seniors, and anyone who wants a clean, fast e-bike conversion with no tools required. It's light, sleek, and designed to get you moving in minutes. You'll be cruising at up to 40 km/h with just a twist of the throttle. A top choice for casual city riders who want simplicity, speed, and smart design. Found your perfect e-bike kit? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tech and ride upgrades. Links are in the description. Happy riding!